Okay, here we are. I'm out here on the porch. Got a little bit of snow behind me. Going to have a good time today. Going to try a little experiment, have a little fun, maybe a little adventure, a little risk. No personal injury involved. So let me just show you here what I'm going to give it a go at. Hello, kids everywhere, including Marv out in Idaho. I'm sitting out on the porch here in Sperryville. It's snowing today. I have the ATV covered in case I need it, and I may need it because today's adventure is, can we fly the drone in the snow? I've done a little bit of prep work, I think. I have the lens out in case I need to adjust for the light. I have a makeshift landing pad because it's a little bit of snow out there. And we'll see how all this works. Good luck to all. Okay, so here we have the landing pad, and then after that we have the covered drone, and now we have the drone ready for takeoff. Well, here we are, landed, safe, a little bit wet, very wet and cold, but back on the ground. Good day.